Welcome back to Easy Coding for Beginners. My name is Samuel and I'm glad that you've joined us in a new episode. In this particular episode, we'll talk about the comment tag. Sometimes because of change of developers, for example, in web development, you might want to transfer your code from one developer to another. So it's always important to comment your code such that if the next person receiving your code and wants to develop more of it, would be able to know what this particular line of code means, because different developers have different ways of coding. So it's always good to comment your code as a good practice. And today we are going to talk about the comment tag in HTML. Now, the comment tag can be written in two ways. The first way is only supported by the Internet Explorer browser, the IE browser, and that is by using the less than sign, the word comment in small letters, and then the greater than sign, then whatever it is that you want to comment, and then the less than sign / the word comment, the way we close tags. So that's the first way in which we can do comments, but that is not supported in most browsers. It's only supported in the IE browser. The one that is supported actually in all browsers is when you use the less than sign, exclamation mark, 2 hyphens, and then within that you can now write the comment that you want. Then at the end, to close this particular comment, you put again 2 hyphens and a greater than sign. So these are actually supported in all browsers. I've never seen a browser that does not support this syntax for commenting. So I would advise, as we do the coding, in this particular tutorial we are going to use both, but in terms of good practice, it's always good to use the less than sign, exclamation mark, double hyphen, then your comment, then end the tag with double hyphen with a greater than sign. So let's get to the practicals. Open your Sublime editor, my first HTML project.html as always. Now in the body tag, I want us to comment the h1 tag. So just above the h1 tag, I want you to type the first one, which is less than sign, the name comment, then write this line represents the heading of this particular document. The same way you can see on my screen, this line represents the heading for this particular HTML document. Then full stop, then write less than sign, the same way we always close all our tags. So close it by a less than sign / comment, and then greater than sign. That is the first way, which I said is only supported in the IE browser. If you go to Mozilla, it won't work. If you go to Chrome, Safari and all that, it won't work at all. But if you go to Internet Explorer, you'll find that it will be commented. Now, one thing to note is that all comments are never shown in your browser. You can just see that in code. As I remember telling you, comments are used for good coding practice to help developers know what this line of code means and how to develop it further. So it is never, if you've written your comment within your HTML document, you will never see it in the browser. But if you open your code, you'll be able to see it. So when I say the comment tag is not supported in other browsers apart from the IE browser, it means if you do that in other browsers apart from the IE browser, you'll be able to see this comment in the browser. Yeah, yet you're not supposed to. But if you use this second way, we'll just see it in action when we save our document and go to the browser. Now the second way in which we can comment, which is very recommended, and I would want you to use this in all your coding. Now the same, we'll just do the same comment. So start with the less than sign, exclamation mark, double hyphen. Now we type exactly the same thing we typed in the first comment. Now once you've actually commented the same way you commented on the first comment tag, which I told you is not supported in IE, is not supported in other browsers apart from the IE browser, close this specific comment with double hyphen and a greater than sign, and that's it. So save your document, go to your browser section. As you can see on my screen, I will refresh this page. You should be able to see the first comment, because I'm using Google Chrome, which does not support the first way in which you're commenting. So you should be able to see that comment written. Because it's not supported, it should tell you whatever it is that you wrote within those tags. Yeah. But since we wrote it twice, you can see the second one is not visible. The second comment that we've done within our HTML page is not visible because this particular syntax of commenting is supported by Google Chrome and other browsers. So from the practicals, you can see the best way in which you can comment on your HTML document is by using the less than sign, exclamation mark, double hyphen, write your comment within that, then end it with a double hyphen and a greater than sign. So I hope you've learned one or two things about the comment, and until next time, kudos!